With the rear window lowered, both wind and engine noise, more like music, dramatically increase in volume. My God! Listen to that. Nor does the top, when up, cause any booming or flutter. Adding 0.6 inch to the car's height, it's a well-engineered convertible. And, despite the approximately 275-pound penalty, Lamborghini estimate only a 0.2 second difference in acceleration to 60 miles per hour from our prior testing. This means it should take just 2.8 seconds. That's adequate, right? Simply access launch mode, Casa plus escape off, 2 pedals in, jump off the brake, and blammo. We'll take Lamborghini's word that Spyder's top speed is identical to the coupe's at 202 miles per hour globally. Lamborghini expects the Spyder to account for 40% of Huracan performance sales but predicts that the US market take rate will be closer to 50% despite a whopping $33,069 premium over the coupe. Not just a straight-line fiend, the Huracan Performance Spyder retains the coupe's ability to bend the countryside to its will. This time, however, there's more landscape and soundscape to enjoy. When the intimate 3-mode drive selector is in Strada, it has a profoundly mellowing effect on the exhaust loudness. In either Sport or Casa, it's all manic all the time, and in Casa, you'll need to pull the paddles to shift gears. The Spyder driving experience reminds me of riding a motorcycle. As you drive, your body senses changes in temperature, your eyes, the light and shadow, your nose, the smell of fields and grass, your ears, the octaves the engine produces. It really is a feast for the senses, adding another dimension to the already intensely satisfying Huracan Performante experience.